Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to introduce about our ultra wide angle, which is the bullet and the turret model. So for install at the outdoor use, so we will suggest you to use this bullet camera, which this one can support weatherproof, WDR, EXIR, and the wide angle also. And for this one, the turret, we will suggest you to install at the indoor environment. So now I will doing unboxing for the turret type. As here, I have a user manual, the labeling, installation, the Allen key, the wall plug and the screw. Is a camera. As you can see, the size for the ceiling mount and the wall mount both also can. And here the lens is quite sharp and solid. It's a 180 degree, and it can support PoE and 12 volt DC. And then this lens, the lens size is a 1.68 mm. So on the later part, I will doing the live view presentation and configuration about this camera. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce about the live view performance. As you can see here, this is a turret camera, the 180 degrees. This one is our demo room, and the resolution is 4 mega. As you can see, the image is quite clear. Image, the color, yeah. So now I go to the configuration. Actually, the camera is not much more different for the others model. Just the lens is quite ultra. If let's say this one you can install at a corridor, is also a quite good performance. Yeah, so here is a 4 mega, and the event here, you can set as a motion detection and a smart event, a scene change detection, face detection, intrusion detection, line crossing, region, entrance, region, exit, unattended baggage, and also the object removal detection. So this one, it can be also add as a BA analytic camera. You can see the square box here, the green color square box, as it detects the motion. Yeah. So for the image setting, you can set the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the sharpness also, and the exposure setting. You can set yourself. The day-night switch, which is the IR light on or off or schedule for it, and the backlight WDR, because it can support WDR function. The white balance, and the image enhancement, image mirror. If let's say you can install left, right. As just now I was also mentioned, it can ceiling mount or it can be wall mount. So the configuration is quite easy and straightforward. So I can show you about the live view. Yeah, so here is for indoor use, and I got one more I show you. I got one more that installed at the outdoor. Yeah, this one you see, it's outdoor scene. The color, actually is quite good and not much more reflect for the images. So that's all for my introduction of the ultra wide angle camera. Thanks for your watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.